Hey everyone, it's Top Health Tips here, and let's talk about those pearly whites. Did you know that if you don't take care of your teeth, you could be building up a literal wall of bacteria in your mouth? That's right, we're talking about plaque and tartar. Plaque is that sticky, invisible film that's constantly forming on your teeth. If you don't remove plaque regularly, it hardens into tartar, which is that yellowish or brownish stuff you might see along your gum line or behind your teeth. Tartar is so hard that only a dental professional can remove it. Not only does it make your teeth look less than stellar, but it also irritates your gums and can lead to gum disease, bad breath, you name it. In this video, we're sharing 7 surprising tips you can use right at home to up your oral hygiene game and keep your smile shining bright. Last 2 tips will be about 2 amazing home remedies that can help you, so stay tuned. First up, let's talk toothbrushes. If you're still rocking a manual toothbrush, it might be time to join the 21st century and go electric. Electric toothbrushes, especially those with oscillating rotating heads, are like the superheroes of plaque removal. They can remove up to twice as much plaque as manual brushing, and they often come with built-in timers to make sure you're brushing for the full 2 minutes. Now let's talk toothpaste. Not all toothpastes are created equal, and when it comes to fighting plaque and tartar, fluoride is your best friend. Fluoride makes your enamel stronger and more resistant to acid attacks from the bacteria in plaque. When you're choosing a toothpaste, look for one that has the American Dental Association (ADA) seal of acceptance. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people rush through brushing their teeth. You need to give those pearly whites at least 2 minutes, ideally 3 of quality brushing time twice a day. Imagine you're giving your teeth a nice, thorough massage, removing all the food particles and plaque from every surface. Pro tip: divide your mouth into 4 sections, upper right, upper left, lower left, and spend about 30 seconds on each section. If you thought brushing was enough, think again. Even the most diligent brushers are missing a crucial part of the equation if they're not flossing daily. No matter how good your brushing technique is, your toothbrush simply can't reach between your teeth, which is prime real estate for plaque and food particles to build up. Make it a habit to floss at least once a day, gently moving the floss up and down between each tooth. You'll be amazed at how much extra gunk you remove. Alright, we've talked about brushing, flossing, but there's another weapon in our arsenal against plaque and tartar: antibacterial mouthwash. Antibacterial mouthwashes help to kill the bacteria that cause plaque and bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Just remember, mouthwash shouldn't replace brushing and flossing. It's an add-on, not a substitute. It is so simple, yet so effective. Don't skip mouthwash. Now, let's head to the pantry for a natural plaque-fighting solution: baking soda. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means it can help to gently remove surface stains and plaque from your teeth, leaving them feeling smooth and polished. To use baking soda, simply mix a teaspoon with enough water to form a paste. Make a paste by stirring a few drops of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Dip your toothbrush in the paste and brush your teeth as you normally would. Finally, let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe vera contains natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce plaque buildup and soothe irritated gums. Look for a gel that's specifically formulated for oral use. To use aloe vera gel, simply apply a small amount to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as usual. Comment down below if you tried this one. So there you have it, 7 surprising tips to help you win the fight against plaque and tartar. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene isn't just about having a sparkling smile, it's about your overall health and well-being. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these tips before? Do you have any other oral hygiene secrets up your sleeve? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Top Health Tips for more awesome health and wellness advice. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.